So it's time for our whiteboard challenge. Now there are 10 words today and they're all tricky words. And if you played and did your phonics lesson yesterday, you'd have played tricky word trucks. So these tricky words are words that you use all the time in your writing and your stories. So I think you're going to do quite well. And there are 10 points if you get them all right. Remember, you get 1 point for every correct word. So the first thing you need to do is pause the video, get yourself a pencil and a piece of paper, or your red workbook and a pencil, or your whiteboard and a pen. Pause the video now and get yourself ready. Right, you're back. Here we go. Here's our first tricky word. Made. I made a cake. Made. Pause the video and write it down. Let's see if you got it right. Made with our split digraph. Well done. If you got it right, give yourself a point. Right, ready for number 2. Time. It's time for the whiteboard challenge. Time. Pause the video and write it down. Are you ready? See who got time right. It's another split digraph. Give yourself a point if you got that right. Number 3. Where? Where am I going? Where? Where? Pause the video and write that down. You're back. This is a tricky one. Ready? Where? Did everyone remember the H, the H? Where? Give yourself a point if you got that one right. Here comes number 4. This is a longer word, so you'll have to really concentrate. Laughed. I laughed at the joke. Laughed. Pause the video now and write it down. Right, you ready? Here we go. Let's see who got this one right. Laughed. That really is a tricky word. You'd have done so well if you got that right. But if you did, give yourself a point. Right, ready for the next one. Here. Come here. Not this sort of here. Come here with me. Come over here. Pause the video and write that down. Right, you're back. Are you ready? Here. It's not the sort of here with your ears. It's the other here. Did you get that one? Well done. Give yourself a point. Right, here's the next one. This is number 6. Would. Would you like to come to my house? Not the sort of wood where the trees are. Would you like to come to my house? Would. Pause the video and write it down. You're back. This is another tricky one. We use this word a lot, but it's very tricky. You ready? Would. Did you get that one right? If you did, give yourself a point. Now have a good look at that word now, because it'll help you with the next one. Okay? Here's the next word. Should. I should have done my homework. I should get dressed myself. Should. Pause the video and write that down. Right, are you ready? It's just the same as would, but it's got a sh at the beginning. Should. Give yourself a point if you got that. Right, here's number 7. Ask. Ask. Please ask the teacher. Please ask your mummy. Pause the video and write that down. You're back. You ready? Let's see who got this one right. Ask. Give yourself a point if you got it right. Right, number 9. Very, very. It was very cold. It was very sunny. Pause the video and write down very. You're back. We ready? This is number 9. See who got very right. If you got it right, give yourself a point. And here's number 10, the last of the tricky words. It's a very important word. And Miss Tate likes children to use it all the time. It's one of Miss Tate's favourite words. Please. Please. May I go outside? Please, can I have some lunch? Write down the word please. Pause the video. Right, you're back. This is word number 10. It's the last one. Let's see who got please right. If you got it right, give yourself a point. Add up all your points. The maximum number of points you could have got was 10. I wonder if anybody got 10. Let me know when you send your mummies and daddies send your emails in today with your work. Let me know how many whiteboard challenge words you got right, because I think you'll have done really well. Well done. Amazing if you got 10. Amazing. But even if you got a few of them right, you'd be doing really well because they are tricky words. So I'm going to see you a little bit later for your literacy lesson. Bye, children.